Just like in Java, we can do 2D arrays and array lists. Well, that means that we have rows and columns. So here'd be a row your boat, right? This could be all in one line. I like to arrange my two-dimensional arrays like this because it's just easier to see what's going on. You can see the columns and you can see the rows. Well, if we hid this row, this is a tic-tac-toe board. To iterate through a list, we have to go through the row, then hit each column, right? So this goes through each row, then we display each column, then we come around and do the next row, print each column, next row, print each column, next row, print each column. So you have to iterate through one row at a time. Let's see what happens. Let's run this guy. There he is. I have no idea why these things are showing up, but this does show, oopsie, it does display the array just like it's showing here. Columns and rows. Now the final assignment, it's not too hard. How do you sum array elements? Well, you're going to create a sum array method that takes an integer array or array list, either one, doesn't matter, and we want to return the sum of its elements. We want the user to input the number of elements in the array. Well, that would mean that you get the number of elements before you create the array. And then you would go through the array one at a time. Well, we know how to do that. And enter each element of the array. And we call the sum array method and display the result. Well, that's not too bad because we can loop through the array and add each item and add up a running total. There we are. Fun with arrays.